Meaning of food bank.
Food bank.
Food bank.
Food bank.
Food bank. A food bank is a non-profit organization that collects and distributes food to individuals and families in need. Food banks acquire food from various sources, including donations from supermarkets, manufacturers, and individuals. The food is then distributed through a network of local charities and community organizations. Food banks aim to alleviate hunger and food insecurity by providing free or low-cost food to those who cannot afford to buy it themselves. They play a crucial role in supporting vulnerable populations and reducing food waste by redistributing surplus food to those in need.